Hello everyone, this is Neha and we are studying the chapter Wonders of Air. So in previous part of this video, we have learned about the composition of air and the uses of air. Now we will study about the properties of air. So air consists of some properties like it has mass. That means it has some weight, right? Next is it occupies space. Air occupies space where it is filled. Next is it exerts pressure, right? So air exerts some pressure on which it is filled or on which it is applied, right? So let's study these properties with the activity. So for the properties of air, we are doing some of the experiments, some of the activities. First of all, I am taking a tub and an empty glass. So I am trying to put this empty glass into the water, but it is hard to put into the water. But as I tilt a little bit, what you can see? Air bubbles. That means this glass is filled with air. That shows that air occupies some space. Okay. Again, I am trying to put this glass into it, but some of the bubbles coming out. That means air occupies space. Next property of the air is it exerts pressure. So I am taking an empty glass and I am filling it with water. I am taking this cardboard, putting it onto the glass and doing it upside down. Can you see this? This cardboard is not falling. This is because air present in the surrounding is pushing it, exerting pressure on the cardboard, and that is why it is not falling, right? Another activity of the air pressure is, I have a bottle, an empty bottle. I have filled it with water. I am doing a small hole in it. Okay. So water is coming out of the hole when I have put off the lid. Now I am putting the lid on and making it tight. If I tight the lid, the water in the bottle remains in the bottle. Can you see that? No water is coming out right now. This is because I have tightened the lid so that the air cannot fill into the bottle and water remain inside the bottle. As I loosen it, it starts flowing again. Can you see that? It is start flowing, right? So this shows that air exerts some pressure.
Air has weight. Take two balloons, fill one with air and weigh them. If you weigh, you will observe that filled with air balloon is heavier than the deflated balloon.
So as we have see that air has mass, yes, we know that if the inflated balloon is weight and a deflated balloon is weight, their weight differ because air has a mass. Air occupies space, that is shown by the activity, right? When air bubbles come out of the glass. Air exert pressure. Air exert pressure is also explained by an activity which has the upside down glass and the cardboard was not falling, right? Now if I talk about the air pressure is measured by an instrument called barometer. Barometer is the instrument through which air pressure is calculated or measured, right? So air pressure has some of the uses, like we can use the air pressure for filling pitchkari. Yes, that pitchkari which you used in Holi, that pitchkari is filled with the water with the help of air pressure only. Syringe. Doctor use syringe, na? So syringe is also filled with the help of air pressure. Some of the other uses are also there. Let's study them in detail.
Air pressure is used in droppers like airdropper. It is used to fill fountain pen, ink. Syringe and pitchkari are also based on the air pressure.
So this was all about the air and its properties. In the next part of this video, we will study how air get polluted and how can we keep it clean.